Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss afterpiece. Definition. The afterpiece, a distinctive form of theatrical performance, represents a fascinating facet of 18th century theatre. Defined as a short play, often a one-act farce or comedy, the afterpiece was presented after the main play in a program, regardless of whether the main performance was a tragedy, comedy, or another form of drama. This addition to the theatrical repertoire provided an extra layer of entertainment for the audience, contributing to the cultural richness of the period. Historical context. The historical context of the afterpiece is particularly noteworthy. They became popular in the 18th century due to the introduction of the half-piece system for latecomers. This system allowed those who arrived late to enter the theatre at a reduced fee, prompting theatrical managers to extend the program to justify the fee. Initially, latecomers were admitted for free, but as the practice of charging half price became more widespread, managers felt compelled to offer additional performances. This need to pad out the program led to the regular inclusion of afterpieces, ensuring that the theatre provided value for all patrons. Theatrical practices. Theatrical practices during this era adapted to incorporate afterpieces as a standard feature. This necessity to cater to latecomers provided an opportunity for more performances, thus justifying the entrance fee and enhancing the overall theatre experience. This practice not only expanded the scope of theatrical programming, but also allowed for greater experimentation and diversity in the types of plays presented. Notable playwrights. Several notable playwrights excelled in creating afterpieces. David Garrick, Samuel Foote, and Arthur Murphy were prominent figures who made significant contributions to this genre. Their works often encapsulated the essence of comedy and farce, providing a light-hearted conclusion to the evening's entertainment. Arthur Murphy, in particular, was renowned for his two-act afterpieces. Some of his significant works include The Apprentice, 1756, The Upholster, 1758, The Citizen, 1761, and What We Must All Come To, 1764. These plays were well received and demonstrated the versatility and creativity of the playwrights in creating engaging and entertaining short dramas. Conclusion. In conclusion, the afterpiece played a vital role in the theatrical landscape of the 18th century. It provided a practical solution to the half-piece system while enriching the cultural experience of theatregoers. The contributions of notable playwrights such as David Garrick, Samuel Foote, and Arthur Murphy highlight the artistic value and enduring legacy of this unique form of drama. Through their creative efforts, the afterpiece became an integral part of the theatrical tradition, offering audiences an additional layer of enjoyment and engagement. So this was the discussion on the term, the afterpiece. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.